सिस्टर केकर. सो आज आमी एक्टिविटी पेडी कल्टिवेशन आयला आमी सगळीं भुरगीं हॅप्पी आसली कित्याक आमगे फर्स्ट टायम एक्सपिरियन्स आहलो. आमी थिंग शेतान देंवले सगळीं बराबर आनी मागीर शेतान सगळीं शेत बी रोवन आमगे फर्स्ट टायम एक्सपिरियन्स तेच्यान आमी लायक एक्सायटेड आहलीं सगळीं. मागीर उंचेन आतां आमी पेज हातोली सो लायक ते आमगे ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन अशें ओल्डन ट्रेडिशन आमगे टिचरान केला लायक पयलीं लोक सगलो शेतान देंवतालो आनी मागीर पेडी कल्टिवेशन करून मागीर पेज बीन हाडटालो तशें करून आमी आतां करतलीं. आनी आमगे स्कुलान पासून किचन गार्डनिंग आहा थिंगाय पासून आमी रोयतलीं. थँक्यू.
My name is Sama in our school. So, as a part of this activity, we have extended this activity to local field level. We have brought students of standard 9, 10, 10 with their own consent into the field, and in association with the Kalbata Farmers Club, we have brought the children here to have a first-hand experience. Normally, nowadays, do not get such experience. Busy with so many activities, maybe, but this kind of first-hand experience with Mother Earth is not felt. Initially, I saw the students; they were like quite hesitant going in the field, and because of the mud, they were like quite uncomfortable, some ugly faces. But as we were coming now, after the activity was done, they were so comfortable. I tell you, like as if they have been doing this for quite a long time. So I want to thank the Farmers Club of Betalbati for giving our students this first-hand experience of coming and helping them to cultivate this paddy field. Thank you very much on behalf of the entire Sales Group family. Thank you.
जालें तेगेलें काडपाचें.
along with the Farmers Association Club. I'm first time uncomfortable जाली वचपाक मागीर लायक सगळ्यांक एक बार गेली आमी लायक सदां कोताली लायक दिसपाक आमकां सगळें बरें दिसतालें करपाक. So I'm thankful for my teachers. They took us to have an experience with the field. I'm just
My name is Filter Advocates. I'm the head officer. आमी केन्ना एक्सपिरियन्स केलें ना. We have never experienced this. आम सदां घरां भितर आसताय. We are always like behind our studies. We have never experienced this activity. So the Farmer Association of the Betalbati has given us opportunity to do this activity. So आम केन्ना अशें केलें ना. आम सदां भितर आसताय आनी आतां फर्स्ट टायम येवन पळोवन आम बरें दिसलें. Now we know the hard work of the farmer, how they work and in the fields during the summers, in the rainy season. Now we know the hard work of the farmers. आणि आम केन्ना अशें करून एक्सपिरियन्स करूं ना. आज आमी फर्स्ट टायम एक्सपिरियन्स केला. थँक्यू.
असली एक्टिविटी स्कुलान करपाक जाय दिसता तुमकां भुरग्यांक शेतां हाडपाचें वेजिटेबल रोवपा आनी कितें
हय आसपा जाय because now as the development of the areas and the cities, development is more than this traditional way of cultivation and all. So I think we should approach this activity in our school.